So hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior. So if you are a new subscriber, consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, so thank you for the effort that you are bringing toward this channel. As you can see, here we have a 4-bedroom house. I think we have toward this at least 2 weeks ago. We were not yet available for this site. So but I think now I can show you how amazing it was. But before we go, they have done only just a little bit interior work. It was only gypsum installation that was still ongoing. But so far now, they have already done the gypsum work, even the painting, and then they have done paint work, the first coat on the outside, on the inner side of the house. So as you can see, so I will take you the whole house tour, and then I show you how amazing features that we have done, and then the interior, the interior part, and then even the exterior, and then I show you how amazing this project is still ongoing. So if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. And then thanks to, we are almost road to 1,000 or to 5,000. so kindly subscribe. So as you can see here, we are on this back. This is like our kitchen. This is like our kitchen, the veranda for our kitchen. As you can see, we have done this. This is the provision for that, for tilings. They'll put their tiles at the, maybe after they have completed the site. But as you can see, we have already done plastering on this outer part. As you can see, we consider this round, always a round that look that at least looks and very neat work, as you can see. So after there, the fundi for tiling will come and then do tilings over there. And then as you can see here, they have 3 pillars that is on this our kitchen, our porch for this kitchen. As you can see, we consider the round one, so that I think the round one is always amazing. So as you can see, there are 3. So as you can see, the first one is over there, the second one, and the third one is just over there. And then as you can see, at this upper part, they have also done some amazing work. And then even here, so they'll come and then they'll paint here some paints over here. I think there will be different colors, but we have not yet decided the color for this, but we will just decide later. And then even here, we will put some paint over there. So I'll take you to the front part, and then as we enter towards inside this house. And then, so as you can see, this is the window that communicates with the sitting room. So and then this is like a small corridor that will be, I think they will put here tiles at the end of the day. So this is our front house view. As you can see, this is like our front view. And then as you can see, the tiling we just did of the same as the one that are in the kitchen. And then as you can see, we considered we just go in with there are 6 pillars. So the first one, each two are at the end, and then there are 2 at middle of this amazing project. So as you can see, how are they? So as you can see, if you maybe want a fundi for this kind of this work, you can just link. We can just link with you, so as to maybe you can maybe do done work like this for your site, even if you have a site. So as you can see, we are this is the front patch. This is like a veranda. So there is just quite a small one, but at least it's wide range. So due to some the housing design that we went with. So as I told you earlier, this is a 4-bedroom house. So I will take you inside and then I show you. So this veranda is like an L shape. So this come like this one, and then there's a small L that is over here. And then as you can see here, so I think there's some difference here. As you can see, we have not yet installed the door. So now we considered to import those doors. So they are called the Chinese door. We have imported, but this not yet arrived in Kenya, but we are just still going the project. So when it will be arrived in Kenya, we'll come and then collect it, and then we'll come install it. So we have not yet installed it so far up to this point. So I will let you inside and then I show you. And then even you are outside, as you can see the gypsum ceiling. You can come and show them the gypsum ceiling that we have installed. So we just go with this and a symbol design that is over there. As you can see, we have already even painted white, and then we have already done skimming. So the only thing that is remaining upward is only electrical work only. So I will take you inside and then I show you how amazing it is. So as you can see, this is our corridor. As you can see, it's just a short one. So on the other project, they were at least an L shape. So it was just a big one. So we just considered to have this a symbol, a design for bedroom. So as you can see, this is the first bedroom. The second one is just over there, and that arc they separates between 2 master bedrooms. The first one is there, and the second one, and the other door that is over there, that is the kitchen. So I will let you inside and then show you this. So as you can see, this is our sitting room. So as you can see, the arc that leads us towards this master bedroom. As you can see, we have only painted the first coat only. So the first coat that is over here, guys, as you can see, it's just quite amazing. So at later we'll come and then we'll just paint over here and then down up to this, and so it will be a different color with the entire house of this amazing project. So as you can see, we are on a sitting room, guys. So this one, it has a sitting room. So the video that I posted yesterday, it was of this same house design, but it didn't have a dining. But this one, we consider to have a dining inside this house. So as you can see, this is the sitting room, guys. As you can see, I think, and then this is someone who commented that at least we have a bigger window. So as you can see, this, guys, this I think we have extended a little bit, at least some inches. At least it is quite spacious as compared to the other videos that we always posted. So we considered your views. So as I told you earlier, maybe if you comment something that maybe you see on the video, we can have it, and then we can just go with your comment, maybe your thoughts. So as you can see, there's a viewer who just suggested to have at least a wider window. So as you can see, this is a wider window as compared to the other one we always have. And then as you can see, this partition, this thing that you are seeing here, so our TV will be installed over here. So as you can see, this is the provision for TV. We will install here a socket, and then this will be an antenna, TV antenna, and then this one will be, let's say, like an internet. So maybe your TV, you don't want to connect with the wireless, you can have your wired internet that will be over here. And then there's another double socket that will be over here. So I think we have not yet, the thing is remaining here, we have not yet communicated, but we'll come and install here a TV stand that will be just quite huge, that bring a picture of this house very well. And then as you can see, we have done just a skimming. So we didn't just paint a first coat. This is some part that we did first coat, but I think this one we just we're done a skimming, so as to have a smooth housing design. So and then you can show them at the upper part. So as you can see, this is the ceiling design that we consider to put here on this project. So as you can see, there's two partitions that is over here for this side for sitting. So as you can see, the first one is there and the second one is there. So as you can see now, at least even see, it's now bringing that picture of a house, but we have not yet done the electrical work. So I will I will argue to stay tuned until the end of the project, and then you will see how amazing features that will be done over here. So there will be electrical work that will be installed here, but we are still ongoing a little bit. So it's just slow, but we just sure, and then we don't want to just be quite a hurry, and then we have spoil our housing design or our future plan that we done with this house. So as you can see, we have always provided there's this wall bracket. So there will be a window of 4 wall bracket that will be installed on this entire sitting room. So I will show you in the video that maybe after the electrical work that it has completely done, and then we have provided there a provision for the air condition, so as to avoid maybe you have finished installing your house and then the fund for AIC for the air condition come and just dismantling this wall. So and then it will just bring a bad picture. So we have already provided a provision for air condition. So the technician that will come to install will come and then just install there a wall air condition without any breakage for this side. So as you can see, so I will let you in this is the dining room. As you can see, the dining room is just of same size is the arc. I think the arc is different in the sitting room. So as you can see, this will be for sitting in the dining, and then you see for this sitting is of the different. As you can see, the design is of different, but the molding work is just of same size, but the design is just a little bit different with the other one. So as you can see, this one is like hilly, as you can see, how is it? It's just like a mountain as you go up there. And then, so I will let you inside this dining room, and then I show you how amazing it is. So as you can see, this dining is quite spacious. I think it will accommodate up to 10 people, not if 10 or 20, depending with the size that you have arranged. You are sitting, you are maybe dining table for this side. I think no matter how you will arrange it. So as you can see, this is the dining. We have considered, we put a 3-wall bracket. So the first one is just over there, and the second one is just over there, and the third one is just over there. And then as you can see, and then even the window is quite spacious, but this one we didn't just done just a bigger one. So if maybe if you consider to have a bigger one, so this space will be the wall will be of holes for window. I think this spacing will be, that's quite not much enough. So that's we provided this a smaller window, but I think it will be enough for this site. And then we have already installed a socket that is here. So we always go with a double socket. So this double socket, maybe you have a fridge that is over here, you can just have install here for that. Maybe you have one cold water as you eat, you can install it here, and then maybe, or you can install it in the kitchen. I will show you the provision, another provision for the fridge. And then if you go upper, as you can see, that is the gypsum design ceiling that we considered to put over this side. As you can see, it's just quite simple. We always go with simple. We don't have to have that much complicated design. So we just go with this simple but beautiful gypsum design, as you can see. So it's just a beam is at the over on the end, and then there's a circle, and then there's this small arc that is on this other end. So guys, as you can see, we have already done the paint work at the ceiling. So ceiling we have done. The only thing is remaining is just only like electrical work. But I think maybe in 2 weeks time, I think we'll be almost finishing this side. So I will come and show you how amazing that side, the electrical work that will be done. So I will let you inside this the 4-bedroom and the kitchen. So we have already done with the sitting and the dining. So I will let you to the bedroom, and then later I will just bring you towards the kitchen as we go out on the side. So as you can see, even this door, the whole door that will be installed on this side, they will be imported. We didn't consider to have just these normal doors for wooden. So the whole doors will be used on this side, they will be imported. So as you can see, we have not yet installed this door, but later we'll come and install it. So guys, if you have reached up to there, guys, I will urge you to just subscribe to this YouTube channel for you to maybe to have this amazing content, and then make sure you click that bell notification, so as maybe I post whenever I post this content, you'll be the first one to be notified. So as you can see, this is the first bedroom. As you can see, we have already done skimming. So skimming, I think if you have not yet, if you have like a little bit engineering knowledge, you know how skimming, the advantage for the skimming, you know. So advantage of skimming, it will have your house at least neat. It will be, the paintwork will be just neat. There will be not like some small holes on the wall. It will be just neat, completely neat after you have painted your final paint. And then it's always maybe, and then other advantage, it's maybe you have some little bit small cracks. So if you do this skimming, it helps to fill those small cracks that are inside, maybe in the side. So as you can see, the windows are also quite big. As I think we go with the comment for one of our viewers that say we have a big window. So as you can see, there are two. So the first window is over here, and then the second one is just over here. And then the interior design over there at upper part, as you can see, we just go, and then even a simple one, we didn't, I think on us, me using on this project, we just considered just simple, something that is simple but unique, and then the cheapest. So we didn't go with the most complicated that will be expensive. So we just went with this small, with this simple design. As you can see on the even round, there's a drop, and then there's I think is it an hexagon or octagon, as you can see, that is over there. So there will be some lighting point that will be installed at this center of this that design. And then on this side, as you can see, we have already done a partition for the wardrobes. So as you can see, our wardrobe will run from this up to this end. So we always have to have earlier to have a provision for the wardrobe earlier enough, so as to so as you come to fetch the wardrobe, you just install here very neatly, so it will be submerged completely inside this small thing, inside this small partition that is over here. So, and then there will be a double socket that is over there. There's a double socket that is over there, and then there's a strapping, but I think the strapping that will be over here. So I think they'll become, and then they'll come, and then I think they find there's a small partition, there's a small switch box that is over here to use for strapping, and then there's a double socket over here. And then, as always, we have provided provision for the air condition that is, as you can see over there. So I will let you to the second bedroom, and then to the other two master bedroom. So guys, continue subscribing, like, share, comment, anything that you feel is just quite similar for. And then even this one we have not yet installed. The door, as you can see, as I told you earlier, the reason why we have not yet installed this door are imported, so they have not yet arrived in Kenya. So I'm recording in Kenya. So as you can see, this is the second bedroom. As you can see, it's just of same size with the bedroom that I was inside, the first bedroom that we have recorded earlier. As you can see, of same size. There's nothing different. It's just of same size with the other one. Maybe the windows, the other one has two windows, but this one have only a single door, a single window. You know the reason why? There's some blockage of these walls that are over there and there, so that we can't install any window on the other end. So as you can see, this will be a partition for strapping, and then there's a double socket that will be here. So as maybe you put here your bed over here, or like over here, you have a position to charge your phone or even your computer over there. And then there's a provision for air condition. As you can see, is over there, and then there's a DP switch that is over here that will be used to switch to power on and off the air condition. And then as you can see, this is the remaining part for the gypsum work, but I think they'll be installing the TV stand later. And then as you can see, this partition will be used for the wardrobe, guys. As you can see, I think this one is quite spacious as compared to the other one. It's just a little bit much bigger as compared to the other one. And then the interior part is just of same size as the one that is as the one that was in the first bedroom, guys, that I showed you earlier on the video. So I will let you to the third bedroom, of which this third bedroom and the fourth bedroom, like you can call it the master bedroom, because they're all en suite. So as you can see, this door leads us towards the the kitchen, and then this arc is the one that I think separate with these two master bedroom that is over here. So I think, and then there's a small partition that is over here, guys. As you can see, this partition is used to partition this between this master bedroom. So as you came from the main from the main door you can just have a crossover. You want to go to main master bedroom or other master bedroom that is over there. So I let you inside this beautiful master bedroom, and then you see how amazing features that is over here. So as you can see, this is the master bedroom. As you compare to the size with the other bedroom, this one is quite spacious. And then there are 2 windows, and then as I told you earlier, these windows are so much big. Guys, as you can see, this window run from here up to here. I think this one is not quite smaller, but look like this one. This one is just quite big. Guys, it runs from this up to this end. So I think this one is the most beautiful thing that I've seen on this side. We considered at least a bigger window, so as to have an easily access for the light on this side. And then at upper part, guys, as you can see, this is how the gypsum ceiling we have installed. It's just quite simple. I think this is maybe, for me, this one is like most complicated, at least a little bit complicated as compared to the other design of this entire house. So as you can see, it's quite amazing, guys. You can comment, you can rate our gypsum design ceiling on the comment down below there. You can comment whenever you feel that is not right, is not quite much maybe it's not just beautiful towards you. You can just comment. Maybe one time we'll just have another site, and then you will go with another design. So as you can see, then it has this amazing simple. This is the centerpiece of this. As you can see, there's I've forgotten this, but on the comment section you can just you can just comment how this thing is called. I think is it a rhombus or something over there, so that you have installed over there. There will be a lighting point, so you can consider having a chandelier over there. And then this one we have just this one is of different will be at least different. We always provide only a single strapping on our side, but this we've provided two strapping. So as you can see, we are planning our bed will be just on this, over this wall, over this direction, facing our bed, our wardrobe. So whenever your bed will be over this, there will be two lighting point over here. The first one will be over there, and the second one will be over there, and then there's a socket below there, and then I think there's a double. There's a socket that is over here. So whenever you have, maybe you are, as you can see, these are another double socket that is over here, and then this is another lighting point that will be over here. So maybe I think when you have how do you call it? Maybe if you have this side bed light, you have already provided your power on and power off sockets earlier on this side, on this part, this side, and then on the other end, I think this other end here we will having our wardrobe. So guys, this wardrobe is just big. So this is the provision for we'll come and then do our wardrobe, install our wardrobe over this side. And so this is the partition that separates this one. So our wardrobe will come and then interfit all this, the entire partition that is over there. And then guys, on this other side, guys, this is the I think this is like another. The owner who suggested to have this on this bedroom. So as you can see, this design is of same size, of the same design as the one that we designed on the, how do you call it, on the dining. So as you can see, it's of the same design. Even this molding work is of the same size design as the other one. So I will come and then have you. This is like a small dressing room that will be, or a small meeting point that is over there, over here. So as you can see, this is a small, as like a smaller dressing room. So I think we'll have a small a mirror that will be over. Will be both sides over this one, and then other partition, and then on the other side there will be a mirror that will be over here. So this is like will be our dressing room. And then this is the toilet, guys. As you can see, this is our toilet. Is quite much enough. Is quite big. I think you see this is the window, and then our toilet will be just over here. And then there will be just there's a thing that a shower cup or shower something. The one that you have is the shower that it has some glasses. So we'll come and install that. Is it a shower bath or something? There's a name there, but I've forgotten. So they will come and then install that. This partition, as you can see, the whole this will be installed over here. That bathing that we think, is it a shower bath or a shower? Something that will come and then install over here that have wear glasses on the as we conclude our site. So I'll let you to the other master bedroom, but it's just as small as compared to the other one. So this is another master bedroom, guys. As you can see, it's just spacious. As you compare to the first bedroom and the other bedroom, this one is at least bigger, but it's not same size with the master bedroom. So as you can see, this is the entire house. As you can see, this is the wall, this is the window. So there are two windows. So there, as you can see, the first one is there, and the fourth and the second one is just over here. And then, guys, we had some an argument with this over this. So there's someone who want this how do you go to have our wedding design for this this thing. So we just told him to just make one like a sample and then come install it here. So as you can see, you will be the way you will rate this thing is the one. Do you agree to have him install the entire house with of this same thing, or we change it? So, but on my own side, I think it's not quite. As you can see, the design is not giving as compared to this side. But you can rate this thing over on the comment section, and then I think we'll have a little bit discussion, and then we'll just change it. And then this is the partition for our wardrobe. So our wardrobe will be installed just over here. And then on the ceiling, we just did a simple ceiling design. As you can see, it's just simple, quite simple. So we didn't just go with a complication design. We just we just did this. As you can see, so our lighting fixture will come and then submerge on this entire. As you can see, this is like a hole that is over there. So our lighting point will be just installed at the center of that. So, and then on this other end, we have our toilet that is over here. So this is the second toilet that will be over the second toilet for this side. So as you can see, it's just quite spacious, but as compared to the other one, this one is not just much big, but the other one was big due to it was a master bedroom. And then there's another thing that I didn't told you on the video. This site, it doesn't have a public toilet inside this house. So we'll install a toilet outside the door. So maybe you have a visitor or someone will access the toilet outside this entire building. So he will not have access to maybe these other two toilet that is over here. We'll build another toilet outside this room. So I'll let you to the kitchen, and then later I will show you the exterior part, a small exterior part. So as you can see, this is the kitchen, guys. Then this is our small store, the store that that will be used for this kitchen. As you can see, it's just quite spacious. It's just small, but will be enough for this entire side. So as you can see, this is the kitchen. As you can see, we did just even a simple design, ceiling design. As you can see, guys, the other one we always provide like a snake light, but this one we didn't provide snake light. If you are an engineer, you know the reason why we didn't provide a snake light over here. And then this on this other end, this will be like our working top that will be over here. So we'll install here a working top that will be used MDF boards only. So our working top will be running from this from here going up to there, and then I think will be almost over here. So this one, when it reaches here, there will be a cooker that will be installed over here. And then, as always, we provided 2 double sockets on the upper part for this working table to have at least when you are doing your work, you can have simply many provision for the, maybe you have a how do you call it, a blender, anything that you need to work to power on while you're working, you can just have it over there. And then this is the another provision that I told you. This is the another provision for the fridge. If you have a fridge, maybe you can just come and install it here. Maybe you have like your vegetable or something, you can just have you can just place it here, and then you'll be using this circuit that is over here. So I will let you outside on this amazing feature. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and then you'll be notified whenever I post this amazing video all through. So this is the, I will show you these are like so I think we have started with this side. So this is a small veranda that will be used with the when you come from this kitchen. I think we'll be using this small partition to just chill out over here. So guys, I think we'll stop over there. Okay, you will just have a little bit a view at exterior part, as you can see. So I think I've shown you earlier these pillars on the video at the first. After the first, I think I show you it both, and then this is another partition that will be used here to be placing, that will be placed. How do you call it? The tiles that will come, and then maybe we will install with our fundi maybe later at the end of this side. So I think up to there we'll end this our video. Guys, consider subscribing, share, comment whenever you think, and then share. Then if maybe you have a project, you can just consult that. You can just have a communication. Our number is on their bio. Even our email is just over there. You can reach us, contact us. Anything you have to maybe a question, we can just answer you. So let's meet on the next video. Bye bye.